Well, it's Tuesday again.
Again, yes.
And speaking of again, last week we looked at the R.Duck Locomotive Works caboose that they made that says Karen's Caboose.
Yes, isn't that going to be fun?
Properly spelled and everything.
Exactly.
And so the way these work, they don't come with instructions. The instructions are online.
Oh, okay.
So everything is online. You go to their website. So they just send you a bunch of parts.
Right.
Because who needs to kill a tree just to print out a bunch of instructions when everything can be online.
Right.
So the kit shows where to get to the instructions. Anyway, another thing that Tripp sent us is their newest locomotive.
Oh, wow.
And they make two 440 locomotives, and this is the newest one, the
Anitus?
Anitus. Here's a picture of it. I think it's the prettier of the two 440 locomotives.
Oh, neat.
But I don't know. And then you can either paint them or leave them wood. I've seen these painted.
Right.
And they look pretty darn nice painted.
Right.
So you can go, Caleb has painted his.
Okay.
Or, you can leave them bare.
Right.
But you're going to be the one building them.
Yes,
so,
I'm not sure what I'll do. My dad was a wood carver, so I have a natural love for just wood.
Yeah.
But we'll see what I feel like when we get there.
We're not going to unwrap this one, are we? The caboose has already got parts spread all over
Yes, I was going to say we'll have
so we're just going to keep this guy wrapped up. But this one, too, just as we'll be doing future shows showing the construction of the caboose, we'll be doing future shows showing the construction of the 440.
Well, they should go right together.
But as I'm looking at the way the wheels, because everything seems to just build up out of little stacks of wheels and bits and pieces.
Right.
And so I can kind of see how this is going to go together, but I think without the online instructions,
you'd be
playing
lost. Tiddlywinks.
Yeah,
yes,
you'd just
have
be
to get
a rabbit wandering in the forest looking for the way out.
Right.
So
or have some knowledge of how a locomotive is put together in the first place.
Yeah. But there it is.
Well, one thing about assembling these things, if you don't have knowledge how something's put together, it teaches you.
Yes. And it's fun that so many people are doing this laser cut.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's like putting together a puzzle, but it's fun.
And some of those, the coffee shops that you put together are just, they turn out so brilliantly.
Well, and then there's also the little music box, like the little pumpkin carriage that I've got, and there's several little things I've put together.
But
and even a train.
It's caused a whole renaissance of fun things that are available.
Yes.
And now there's the R.Duck locomotives.
That's right.
Locomotive Works, all kinds of different things from them. And you can find that, of course, on their website. And they keep adding new things all the time.
Oh, yes. Yeah. We'll have to see what this turns into.
Once you have the software and the laser, it's just a matter of sitting there figuring out what you want to do.
Right.
So this, when I was talking to Tripp and he said, which of the locomotives do you want? And I said, well, I don't see this one in the catalog, but I see pictures of it. And he said, well, that's because it's not ready yet.
Oh.
And I said, but that's the one we want.
That's
he said, well, then we'll get her ready for you.
There you go. Oh, boy.
And so there it is. And I assume that means that they are available now.
Now they are now.
I think this is one of the handsomest 440s on the market. It's just a beautiful locomotive. So that'll be fun. And you'll need to figure out if you want to paint it or not.
Oh, yeah. I'll have to figure that one out.
Yeah, because a 440 is all about the color and the paint and the brass and the
a lot of brass.
It might be funner to paint it.
Oh, we'll see what happens. Might be.
For you to figure out as you're building it.
Yeah.
And again, we'll be showing all that as it's getting built. Anyway, if you haven't been over to the channel, or if you're not a subscriber or member, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Doesn't cost much to become a member, but it doesn't cost a darn thing to subscribe.
Right.
And you know what else doesn't cost a darn thing? Clicking on the like button.
Do that.
So click on the like button, and then if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe and the notification bell.
Right.
And the subscribe button is coming up just now. We ready for it? Zoink.
There it is.
Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you here on Sunday.
Right.
With some Sunday foolishness.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.